Hi coders, my name is Bhupender and I welcome you to my channel Addictive Learning. So today's video we are going to see how we can do the file uploading in Fastify, and this is going to be very interesting because it is kind of hard to do the file uploading in Fastify. So I'm going to show you how you can upload a file in Fastify. For that we are going to use Multer. We are not we will not be using Multer alone. We will use there's a dependency called Fastify Multer, I guess. Yes, it is, and this is, yes, Fastify Multer. But we will kind of follow this individual approach. I believe there are two type of disk storage. Disk storage, sorry, there are two type of storage. First one is disk storage and the second one is memory storage. So we are not going to do anything related to buffer object. We will only make it simple and we will follow this approach. Okay. Although there is something which we will take from this, and why they are necessary to take from this I will tell you later, but we are going to make the simple approach. We are going to follow this thing. Okay. So for that, first of all, you have to download this dependency Fastify Multer. I will not download it because I have already installed it. Uh, but if you don't, yes, but if you don't have this dependency downloaded, then you have to download it. Simply you can download it. You just copy this line from here and then you can paste this copy line into your terminal. Then downloading will start eventually. So if you have already have this dependency, then we can move ahead and type the code and start typing the code for the uploading. So for that, what I will do, I'll first of all make a folder here. uh, Make a folder here. That folder will be upload, and inside folder I will I will keep the same thing as we did in the customer as well as user. So I'll create here upload file as well, upload.js. And also because there will be many routes related to uploading, like there will be customer uploading, there will be user uploading. So for that we will use here a common file that will be uh, upload upload route.js. Okay. So all the uploading will be will be handled in this. All the routes related to upload will be handled in this upload route.js. Okay. And then if you have already have this dependency, this is specify Multer, then you can start typing the code. So for that, first of all we have to import that dependency here. So we will type here Multer and then require, and we will specify Multer. Okay. After required, then we have to specify our storage. Before defining a storage, I will define the path where I'll be saving my uploading file. So that for that I'll I'll write here process environmental variable, process dot environment dot, I will name it root dot path, and then here I'll simply put my directory name. Okay. And then I'll make a variable here on, and then this variable will be root path, and here I will simply get this environment variable like this, root path. Okay. And after defining your path, then you can simply start writing the code for the storage. So what I'll do, I'll simply write a storage. Then here I'll type Multer, and then Multer I will choose disk storage. And then inside we have to specify two things. First one is destination, and inside destination it takes a function, and this function takes three things: request and then file name and a callback. And this callback function, return this callback function return null and then root path. Okay. And the other thing that is also defined inside a storage uh, is file name and then function, and it also take request and then file and then callback. In this callback simply return callback null file dot original name. Okay. Okay. And then after defining this two things inside a storage, we can simply type here var upload and then multer multer storage. So after defining storage, uh, then what we can also define here what like what if we want to upload a single file or a multiple files. So in this video I'll be uploading only single files, but if you want me to explain you also for multiple file, then you have to tell me in the comment section. I will definitely make a separate video for that. For now I'll just go with the single file. So I type here let field upload. Field upload means the key that I'm going to uh, choose. I will tell you what is key, like this file. This file is my key. If I don't get this file as a key, then file uploading will not be done. You have to mention this file and then you have to give a file, then only it is going to work. If you don't give this key and then you pass the file, then it is not going to work. Okay, then it is a must you to pass the file. Okay. And after 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 giving the key, then what we can do here, we can simply make a function which will do the uploading for us. Upload file and then async, it will take reference and response, and then here it will simply first we will simply console.log uh, request.file. We will simply see what we are getting inside the file. Oh, it is the error function, then we have to also use this. Okay. And now we can export this function module dot export, and then I will export three things here: field uploads first, and then upload file function, and then I will also export Multer. When exporting Multer, I will tell you later. It is very important to you to export Multer as well. Now I think we are all done with the upload.js. Now we can jump into upload.js. Here we have to first of all get that upload.js file. So I'll type a const and then here I will type require and then I will type here upload.js, and we can get all those export function which we have exported few minutes back. So that function will be field upload and then upload file, and then the third one is multer. Okay. After getting these function, what we have to do, we have to make a function. Make a function like we did in the customer as well as a user. If I show you what I'm saying, customer, we have to make a function like this. Inside this function we can define our route. Okay. So let me just uh, let me just uh, make a function, and this function will be a sync function, This function name will be route, and it takes Fastify, and then Fastify.post, because we are leaving some data. That is why we are using post, and our route will be API slash upload, and then here's something which you have to which we need to keep in your mind. If you're familiar with the express, then in a express, what we do, we define routes, and then we simply define your field's name, and then the request and the response. But here it will directly define the field's name like this, uh, field's name, and then the upload file, then the upload file, if we define this directly like this, then it is going to throw the error. Why it is going to throw the error, I don't know, but we have to define this field upload inside object. Earlier, I was doing the same because I have done this thing in Express framework, so I thought this could be the same. This could be the same as well in Fastify, but it did this did not the same. This wasn't the same. So, and for that, to check what I'm doing wrong, I showed, you know, I saw this thing, and they are sending the upload and the field name inside object. So we are also going to do the same. Okay, so here we will not simply uh, passes pass like this. We will first here make object like this, and inside object we will type array handler, and then field upload. Okay, in this way we are going to upload, and after 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 that we can simply export module.export, and then simply uh, hmm, route, and then one more thing, Multer. Why I'm exporting Multer from here also, I will tell you in the next file. In server.js, first we have to get the route from here. So for that, I const will name upload routes dot require, and then slash routes then slash upload, then slash upload route.js. Okay, and now we have to also specify the route. We have to register that route. So Fastify dot register, and then upload route. Okay, one thing I really want to show you here, but for that I have to open uh, my Postman. Let me first start the application. For that I type in node mom on server.js. Uh, Application has started. So application is running on 3000. So I just come here and open a new tab, and type here local host 3000 slash API slash upload. Okay, and after I'll make this post, because we are posting some data, and here I will remember I was telling about a key. That key should be file. If you don't pass the file, then it will going to throw the error. So we have to hit pass file as a key, and then we have to select here file, and suppose I am selecting API dot, and let me just see whether we are consoling the response or not. Yes, we are consoling the response. Now if I try to hit, let's see what we get. So we are getting 415 unsupported media type. Okay, why we are getting? Because we have to do something in the server.js. Okay, what we have to do something? We have to specify the content parser here. So like if I specify here content classify register, now you are getting, I think, why I have exported Multer from all those files, uploaded routes dot Multer dot content parser. Okay, what do you think, guys? Still it is going to give me error or not? Just take your time and give me answer. Okay, now will it give me error or not? Still it is going to give me error. Why? I'll tell you later. So let me just first show you the error. Still you can see we are getting 415 unsupported media type. Still why we are getting error? Remember, we used to do something in Express. If we define something above if we define something above the middleware, that thing would not work. So for that, for making that work, we have to define that thing just just above the our routes. Okay, if you define okay, what I have did, or let me just cut thing. Okay, if you define this content parser below the your uploading route, then it is going to give you error 415 media type unsupported media type. But if you define this multiple content parser just above your uploading route, then it is not going to give you error. Let me just show you. So we are not sending anything in response, so that is why it is just going on sending. Just so let me just see the console. It is saying unconnected to an undefined. Okay, something went wrong. Let me check what is going wrong. Request.file file load file load file original name file. Okay, you see API.file upload. Let me just select one more file here. Post.png and let me see here. Undefined. Why it is giving me undefined? Let me see. Request.file. Why we are getting this thing? Uh, what we have done wrong? Let me just check here. About Fastify dot post, then upload behavior, and then upload file. This looks also good to me. And if we come here, upload routes, it shows the routes, upload routes and content parser. This look good to me. What is gone wrong here? Check this thing. Fastify dash Multer. This is the dependency. Then we define directory. um, and we also define storage and file and then file name function original file name we have also then we load storage also select, then upload dot single file fields name and then fields and new object fields name. Start on because the file. Hmm, what is wrong? Why we getting because file as undefined? Post.png and then slash file file only file, right? Hmm. Multer, we are exporting Multer and then server.js. Content parser. Yes, see, and Multer.content parser, and I don't know why we are getting this error. We got content type parser might be already present. Okay, it's for the show which we had earlier. After that, we localhost 3000 slash UK in the file. Left all file. What is the error? Where are stitching undefined? Let, guys, let me just pause the video for a moment. I'll get back to you once I get to know what is the error. So, hi guys, I'm back and literally you won't believe on me. It took me 30 minutes to just to find that error, and you will you will laugh at it. You will laugh at it. You will laugh at me. And that error is so small. You are seeing this. So what is happening here right now? If I hit the send in response, I'm basically sending hello. So for now we can delete that, and it is saying undefined. And in upload.js we are consoling request.file. That means we should be able to get the file. We should be able to get the all the data related to file. Okay, but it is showing undefined. So I can, because I have I know where the error is, so I can remove this, and let's just keep the hello in the response. And the error was inside upload route.js pre-handler. We have to make this p lowercase. This was the error, guys. Seriously, this was the error. It took me half an hour to just to find the error. And after finding the error, and then when I changed the p from uppercase to lowercase, it worked literally. So guys, just keep this thing in your mind. If you now see, now we are getting the whole object related to file name, original file name, encoding, name type, destination, and even though we are also getting the file. You can see this is the file. So guys, I request you to pay attention on this pre-handler. You have to keep two things in your mind. First one is that it should be this fields upload should be side object, and then the p should be in lowercase. Okay, you know I made it p to uppercase, and it just took me to half an hour to just to find the error. So make sure guys you don't do the same mistake that I have done. So but yeah, we learn from the mistakes. Okay, so now guys move on. So that means we are able to see the file related data when we are consoling it, right? What if we want to save this file into our database? So database, what we can do, I'll just those things in a very fast manner because it already consumes so much time of mine. So what I'll do here, I'll simply open a new SQL tab here, and inside I'll use data, which is my database, and inside database I'll simply I'll simply going to create a table that is create table, and table name customer underscore images, and then my first column will be image underscore id, and this will int, and the second column will be underscore customer underscore image. Okay, although I'm taking varchar as a data type, but you don't have to. If you take varchar for the var character data type for the image, this will be bad practice. I will recommend you to take bulb as a if you want to save the image, you should use bulb database for the image, right? And now I'll just create the table. After creating a table, what we can do here, we have to import the db connection here. So for that I use simply const here, and require, and that file will be dot config. Inside config it will be dot.js. Okay, inside db.js we have a function. That function is execute. We can extract that function. Okay, and after extracting that function, we can use that function here. We are using upload file function to upload the file, and it is a sync function, so we will also use uh, await. But for that, before using await, uh, we will grab that field. We will save this file name field into database. So let's just grab that field, request.file, request.just uh, file name equal to request dot file dot file name. Okay, after grabbing that field, let file equal to await. I mean this await, I will simply I will simply write the query here, and this not in this oh, execute inside it. I'll type the query insert into customer dash images, and then the field name customer image, and then the values, and value will be question mark from now, and here we can pass file name. Okay, and then instead of hello we can simply send file as it is. Okay, but there is one problem, because in db we did not make image id as a primary key. Otherwise we have to there are two options: either we can define this thing inside our query, but I really don't want to define, so I'll choose to alter this table. So for that I'll alter table customer images modify, and then image underscore id, and auto generated, auto increment, and primary key as well. Okay, that's all we need. So after making this primary key, we really don't need to define any other argument inside this. Okay, so now if I go back to again postman, and now if I hit, we should be able to save this thing to database. Yes, you can see we got 190 inside our database. We can also verify by just going inside that table, and you can see We got one, one image inside our DB. Okay, so where is my there is just one more thing that you can do if you really don't want, if you don't like this, MySQL response, you can alter this response as well. So for that, you need to just do one more thing here. File equal to request, sorry, execute, and here we will select star from customer dash images and select star from where 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 this ID will be where this ID will be not ampersand dollar then file dot, and I will need also one more insert ID as well. Simply write here and then close this. Okay, we will replace double quote to backtick, and okay, according to me it should work now. Let me just write one more time postman, and it is giving me blank. Why? And if I check DB, we got two entries inside DB, but it is giving me blank. So there's something wrong. File dot inserted ID where image ID equal to select star from customer images where image ID. Let me cross check. Uh, Image underscore ID, that's correct. Image underscore underscore ID, and then file dot. I don't know why it is showing me. Let me just one more file from here. Let it Fastify. It should not be blank. Why it is returning blank? If I check my DB, we got three entries inside DB, but why it is select star from. Let me just see this thing inside whether it has any problem or not. Today I get a lot of error. So it is working fine. File execute query. Okay, I did not write here await. That is why it is giving me error. Await. These little things makes big difference. So please make sure don't you don't do any mistake that I've been doing. Now it should, yes. So that was a mistake. Okay. So guys, if you can see DB as well. Yes, we got the entries. So guys, this is how you can upload files in a Fastify. This was the tutorial based on if you are going to upload a single file. But if you want to upload a multiple file at the same time, then that can also be possible. For that, you have to tell me, then only I'm going to make a video on that. And if you guys like this content, and if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends once. And thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.